So hello and welcome to Global Online. I am Chandni Sarnikar and we are preparing for CTET Exam 2023, okay? And we have already covered some of the lectures, the very most important lectures that you must watch if you are ace to get into CTET Exam, okay? And today we are discussing rhyme scheme. We'll cover MCQs also so that it will help you to understand the concept in a better way with explanation. And except that, if you need any help, you can definitely contact here. You can watch my lectures at 5 p.m. daily. Okay, so let's jump into the question. So there is a poem, but what kind of poem? What kind of question you will get out of a poem? There will be 6 questions out of a poem. But now, what you must understand about a poem, that there will be one question that will be on rhyme scheme. Okay, they can ask as the rhyme pattern in the poem or rhyme scheme of the poem. Okay, so they'll question, they'll ask you like that, right? So let's jump into the poem. Now, to understand the poem, what do you mean by rhyme scheme? So rhyme scheme, if like in every line, at the end of a line of a poem, there will be a rhyme sound, okay, and the pattern, rhyme sounds pattern, the pattern, actually every poem follows a pattern, and that pattern refers to rhyme scheme, that we call as rhyme scheme, right? Now you can help rhyme scheme with alphabets to name it. Okay, we name it like, okay, A B like that, right? So now let's find out what is the rhyme scheme of this poem. So here lies a poor woman who was always tired. She lived in a house where help wasn't hired. Okay, so now same rhythm, we'll name it as A because it is the same. Her last words on earth were, dear friends, I am going to where there is no cooking or washing or showing. Now same pattern, we'll name it as BB. For everything there is exact to my wishes. For where they don't eat there is no washing of dishes. Same pattern, same sound, C. I'll be where loud anthems will always be ringing, but having no voice I'll be quiet of the singing. Right? Same, DD will name it. Don't mourn for me now, don't mourn for me never. I am going to do nothing forever and ever. We'll name it as EE. Okay? So you know that the correct answer will be A, BB, CC, DD, EE. Okay? Let's jump into the second question. Now the second poem. They'll ask you the same question. Tell me the rhyme scheme of this poem, right? So we'll find out. Out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. So now you can see that B and me, same rhythm, then pole and soul. So there will be A, B, right? In the fell clutch of circumstance, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Under the bludge awning of chance, my head is bloody but unbowed. Loud and bowed chance and circumstance. So there is a different sound, okay? Rhythm is different. So we'll name it as C, D and D. Okay, great. Beyond this place of wrath and tears looms but the horror of the shade, and yet the menace of the years finds and shall find me unafraid. Right? Years and tears, shade and afraid. So there is a different rhythm. So we'll name it as E, F and F. Right? So it will be like A, B, C, D, E, F, right? Let's see. Which one is the correct answer? A is the correct answer. Okay. Let's jump into the third one. Now, the same question. How soon hath time, the subtle thief of youth, stolen on his wing my 23 year? My hasting days fly on with full career, but my late spring no bud on blossom sheath. Youth, sheath, year, career. A, B, A. Now you must remember here, I told you that there must be, if there is a same rhythm sound, we'll name it as same alphabets. Okay, with the same alphabet we name it, we would not change. So perhaps my semblance might deceive the truth, youth, truth, truth, that I to manhood am arrived so near, and inward reapness doth much lesser appear, that some more timely happy spirits and youth. Near, year, same, okay. So we'll name it as A, B, B, A. So the rhyme scheme will be A, B, B, A, B, B, A, okay. So this will be the correct answer. Now, this third is the correct answer, okay. So now let's understand that if you really want to ace the exam, if you really want to get good marks in exam, you have to understand the concept very neatly and accurately, okay. If you didn't understand the concept, go again, watch the video and understand the concept and try to practice it as much as you can, okay. Now let's meet in the second lecture, or the next lecture we can say. Thank you for today. All the best, all the very best. Thank you.